Ay, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm the fucking Fresh Prince. Think my name is Ill Smith. I got hoes from everywhere. That's just how the kid live. I'm a fucking top player. We just fuck cause I won't date her. Top shelf weed flavors. You call 10 with all that hate, and I'm the fucking Fresh Prince. I'ma tell you like this. Just one look is all it's taking. That's enough to steal your bitch. Hey, hit my tree man. I need all this weed again. Blowing blunts of Pakistan. Put me to sleep, I ain't on Xans. I got the world in my hands. Shut my town down on Instagram. I got one dark and light skin. Bitch, I call him Hillary Ashley. Actually, they give my dick a rinse. I'm the fucking Fresh Prince. Think my name is Ill Smith. I got hoes from everywhere. That's just how the kid live. I'm a fucking top player. We just fuck cause I won't date her. Top shelf weed flavors. You call 10 with all that hating, and I'm the fucking Fresh Prince. All my dogs pics. No, I don't miss, but we throwing up bricks. I'm running around chips, and where I'm from, shit, we used to drop clips. Thank God I drop hits. My shit going up. Shout out to the money from the drugs. You had no idea how real it was. I know I'm hot, I could build you up. So label signing ain't a deal for us. Remember back when we were taking trips in and out the city for a flip. If you flex, my cousin take your shit. He bringing gloves in case they case for Prince. If she hot, then I'ma take her lips. I roll her up a couple blunts, that's it. She want me to trick, I ain't a simp. Kicked her out the pork, take a sip. Soaring higher than an angel is. Smoking fire where the danger live. My whole life is lit, how can I forget? Went from tripe to rich, I'm the fucking Fresh Prince. Think my name is Ill Smith. I got hoes from everywhere. That's just how the kid live. I'm a fucking top player. We just fuck cause I won't date her. Top shelf weed flavors. You call 10 with all that hate.